What's up, friends? Andrew here. Welcome back to Jude Tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps from Google. So whether you're on Google Drive or you're just simple on Google, in order to go ahead and uninstall apps, click your apps on the upper right hand side, scroll down, and you want to go ahead and easily open whatever. So I'm going to choose Google Drive as an example. Now you want to go ahead, simply find apps here on the right hand side. It's going to say get add-ons, and you want to click this little plus on the lower right. Then it's going to open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. Now on the upper right, click this little settings gear and click on manage apps. Here you'll find the current apps that is currently installed. Just click the three dots on the upper right for any app and click uninstall. Then click uninstall app again. And that's how you easily uninstall any application that you have on Google. And that's it, guys. So if you have any apps uninstalled on Google Drive or wherever, you can easily find this. And as I said, it's not only in Google Drive, you could be in something else. So let's say you're even in, for example, your Gmail or whatever, you can also find the same plus there. You have it there on the right hand side. So you can easily go ahead and find your Google apps by simply clicking the plus to get add ons, and it's going to take you right in. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.